Murtasim, I am feeling bored at home, so let us go to the market and have some fun together.
That is a great idea, Mirha, because going outside makes us fresh and happy.
Yes, and we can also practice our English while walking and talking.
I like that idea because learning English in a fun way is very easy.
Look, the weather is nice today, so walking to the market will be enjoyable.
Yes, the air feels fresh and I'm feeling very energetic right now.
On the way to the market, we can talk about many things and laugh together.
That sounds fun because talking with you always makes me smile.
Thank you, Murtasim. You always say nice things.
Because it is true and friendship makes life more colorful.
Look, we have reached the market and it looks very busy and lively.
Yes, I can hear people talking, laughing, and calling customers.
I like markets because there is always movement and excitement.
I also like markets because we can see many things in one place.
Let us start by looking at the fruit shops because fruits look fresh today.
Yes, the fruits are colorful.
These apples look shiny and fresh and I really want to buy them.
Attractive.
Apples are good for health and they are also easy to eat.
I like apples because they are crunchy and sweet. I like apples too, and they make me feel active.
Now look at the bananas. They are yellow and very soft.
Bananas are very good for quick energy and strong muscles.
Yes, and bananas are also easy to carry and eat anywhere.
I always feel happy when I eat a banana.
That is funny. Maybe bananas also make people smile.
Maybe that is why monkeys look happy all the time.
That is very funny, Murtasim.
I'm happy to make you laugh.
Now let us see oranges because they look very juicy.
Oranges are refreshing and full of juice.
I like oranges because they smell fresh and taste nice.
Yes, and oranges also help us stay healthy.
Look at those grapes. They are very small but very shiny.
Grapes look like little balls and they are fun to eat.
I like green grapes because they are sweet and sour.
I like black grapes because they are soft and sweet.
Now let us talk about mangoes because mango season is coming.
Mango is my favorite fruit and I wait for it every year.
Mangoes are sweet, juicy and full of flavor.
Mine too, and it makes summer more enjoyable.
Look at that watermelon. It is very big.
Yes, watermelon is very refreshing in hot weather.
Watermelon helps keep our body cool.
I like to eat watermelon slices in the evening.
That sounds relaxing and tasty.
Let us walk more and enjoy the market atmosphere.
Yes, walking here feels fun and lively.
I like listening to different voices and sounds.
Markets feel like a small world full of stories.
That is a beautiful thought.
Thank you. I like to think like that. Now I feel a little tired, so let us sit for a moment.
Yes, resting for a while is a good idea.
While sitting, we can talk about our favorite fruits.
My favorite fruit is mango because it tastes amazing.
My favorite fruit is apple because it is simple and healthy.
Both fruits are good in their own way.
Yes, every fruit has its own benefit.
Eating different fruits keeps our body balanced.
I think fruits are nature's gift to us.
That is true, and we should respect nature.
I feel happy and relaxed after coming to the market.
I also feel happy because we talked, laughed, and learned.
This small trip made my day better.
Yes, simple moments like this are very special.
Now let us slowly walk back home.
Yes, and on the way, we can talk again tomorrow.
I am excited for our next conversation.
Me too, Mirha.
Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you for inviting me.
See you soon.
See you soon. Goodbye.